Welcome back to TinyLeaf. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of flowers. If you love color in your garden all year long, this video is for you. Join me as we explore 25 flowers that bloom year-round, ensuring your garden is bursting with beauty every single day. First up are pansies. These hardy flowers come in a variety of colors and can bloom from early spring until frost. They're perfect for adding cheerful pops of color. Next, we have violas. Similar to pansies, they're small but mighty, providing blooms from spring to fall. Their delicate petals are sure to brighten any garden. Say hello to calendula. These vibrant, sunny flowers bloom from early spring to late fall and are known for attracting beneficial insects. Geraniums are another fantastic choice. With proper care, they can bloom year-round in warmer climates, adding a splash of color to your patio or garden. Next are dahlias. Depending on the climate, these stunning blooms can last from summer until the first frost, making them a favorite for many gardeners. Petunias are perfect for containers and hanging baskets. With the right conditions, they can bloom from spring until fall, offering a wide range of colors. If you're in a warmer climate, bougainvillea is a great option. This tropical beauty can bloom year-round, creating a stunning display of vibrant colors. Impatiens thrive in shady areas and bloom continuously from spring to frost, making them perfect for adding color to less sunny spots. Coreopsis is a hardy perennial that blooms from early summer to fall, providing bright yellow flowers that attract pollinators. Lantana is a drought-tolerant plant that blooms all summer long. Its colorful clusters attract butterflies and other pollinators. Sweet alyssum is a fragrant annual that blooms continuously from spring to fall, making it perfect for borders and containers. Heliotrope produces clusters of tiny flowers with a delightful scent and can bloom from spring until frost in many regions. Snapdragons are perfect for adding height and color to your garden. They can bloom from spring to fall, especially in cooler climates. Marigolds are easy to grow and bloom from spring until the first frost, providing vibrant orange and yellow hues. Zinnias are perfect for summer gardens, blooming continuously with bright colors as long as you keep them deadheaded. Phlox blooms in mid to late summer and can last into fall, providing clusters of colorful flowers that attract butterflies. Fuchsia is a stunning plant that can bloom from spring to fall, especially in shaded areas, with its unique teardrop-shaped flowers. Kalanchoe is a succulent that can bloom year-round indoors, providing colorful clusters of flowers with minimal care. Orchids can bloom multiple times a year with the right conditions, bringing exotic beauty and elegance into your home. Cyclamen can bloom in winter and early spring, providing lovely colors when most other plants are dormant. Jasmine is known for its fragrant flowers, which can bloom year-round in warm climates, adding beauty and scent to your garden. Clivia is a hardy plant that can bloom in late winter to early spring, showcasing clusters of trumpet-shaped flowers. Orchid cactus can bloom multiple times a year, featuring stunning, large flowers that are sure to impress. New Guinea impatiens are a colorful alternative to traditional impatiens, blooming continuously in shady spots. Salvia blooms from spring to fall, attracting bees and butterflies with its vibrant spikes of color. And there you have it, 25 flowers that bloom year-round to keep your garden colorful every day of the year. Which flower are you most excited to add to your garden? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!